Once upon a time, in a little forest filled with tall trees and colorful flowers, lived a small bird named Pip. Pip had beautiful, vibrant feathers that shimmered in the sunlight. He could sing the sweetest melodies that made all the creatures of the forest stop and listen in awe. However, Pip felt sad and lonely because he thought that his talents were wasted in the small forest. He dreamed of sharing his songs with the world, where more people could appreciate his talent. So, one day, he decided to leave his home and set out on a journey to find a place where he could truly shine. As Pip flew across vast meadows and over great mountains, he encountered different landscapes and creatures. He sang his songs to everyone he met, hoping that they would recognize his talent. But sadly, no one seemed to appreciate his melodies. Disheartened, Pip began to doubt himself and wondered if he made a mistake leaving his beloved forest. One day, while Pip was resting on a tall tree branch, he noticed a group of students playing in a nearby park. They were laughing, dancing, and enjoying the beauty of nature. Pip couldn't resist the urge to sing, and as he did, the students stopped in their tracks, amazed by the enchanting melody. They gathered around the tree, smiling and clapping, and asked Pip to sing more. Pip realized that his talent mattered most when he shared it with those who truly appreciated it. The students' joy and admiration filled his heart with happiness. He realized that it wasn't about being famous or having a large audience. It was about using his talent to bring joy and touch the heart of others. Friends, what can we learn from this story? This story teaches us that our talents are valuable, but their true worth lies in how we use them. It's not about being on the biggest stage or having the largest audience. It's about finding the right place and people who appreciate and benefit from our talents. Sometimes it's the small and genuine connections that make the biggest impact in our lives. Thank you so much for watching, friends, and until next time, remember to always be happy, keep smiling, stay positive, and believe in yourself. And do like, comment, share, and subscribe for more such entertaining and motivating videos.